Welcome back, everyone. It's time for another project. This one's called Secondary Color Birds, and as always, put your name on it. Now, if you remember, secondary color means two, and you need two colors to make each secondary color. So if you want to make orange, say this bird's going to be orange, you need yellow and red. Let's say this one's going to be green, so you need yellow and blue. And last, this little guy over here, let's make him violet. We'll put yellow and red over there for violet. So let's get started. First job, this bird, a nice layer of yellow. Okay, that looks okay, but I want to make it better. Okay, he looks pretty good, but I want to make him look like he's standing out. So stick with your red. Watch this. I'm going to outline just a little bit of his feathers on his wing. Right here where his feathers on his head stick out. On his tummy. Just a little bit. You have all of the crayon wax already on the paper, so it's easy to do this. Okay, and definitely on his tail. I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. Sometimes I like to swirl to make it mix. I think I'm pretty happy with that orange. Okay, let's go over to this one. He's going to be green. So start with yellow. I'm gonna put my red up there. Start with yellow. I'm gonna get his beak a little bit too. okay, but I want to add a little bit more of this blue so it doesn't look like everything is going in this direction. I'm going to swirl. Okay, that little guy looks pretty good, but I want to make him look like he has shadows like this one. So I'm going to take my blue. I'm going to go under his eyes a little bit more. The top feather. This wing underneath. I'm going to go around and around and around. Putting a little bit more pressure. His tummy, right here. Okay, now he's looking pretty good. Okay, can you see that? Those two look fabulous. Now, we need to go on this little one. Okay. Red and blue. I'm going to start out with red. Okay, looks cute, but I think I'm gonna swirl. I'm gonna add some more blue on the tips of his feathers so it looks like a shadow on his tummy. Need to push just a little bit harder. On the bottom part of his tummy, a little bit in between his eyes, under his eyes a little bit. I'd say he looks pretty good. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I want you to also color the background. Okay, they are swinging on some telephone lines, so all of this in the background can be blue. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that because you should already know how to color. And we'll see you next time.